and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. Disagreement between Raut and Davlikar brothers deadlock reaches its climax. Raut all set to file a police complaint against Sudhir Davlikar. MGP's keys in Raut's custody. I am holding the keys to avoid indiscipline from party office, says Raut. Police investigate Mahananda's involvement in 3 more cases. Missing cases of girls from 1994 to be re-investigated. File draft charge sheet against Vishwajit Rane by Friday. High Court directs government. Prudent Media brings to you a series to beat the heat. It's time to enjoy tender coconuts in scorching heat on day 1. And Goan Ranji cricketer Sagun Kamath hopes more state players will get IPL chance after Shadab Jakadi's instant impact. Now the news in detail. MGP inter-party crisis have reached its peak as the president of MGP, Pandurang Raut, has decided to file a police complaint against Transport Minister Sudhir Davlikar. Pandurang Raut has alleged that Davlikar has threatened him. This allegation will certainly create more furor between Pandurang Raut and Davlikar brothers, who are already fighting over the induction of Advocate Ramakant Khalap in MGP.
The battle between Raut and Davlikar is getting more and more bitter after the who will hold the office key drama. Now Raut has decided to file police complaint against Davlikar. Speaking to Prudent Media, the MGP president Pandurang Raut said Sudhir threatened him on the Khalap issue, saying that he will go to any extent.
ती जी कोणाची धमकी आहा त्याच्याबद्दल प्रिकॉशन म्हणून पोलिसी कंप्लेंट दिवचे असो विचार आयला उपरांत आमचे जे कमिटी मेंबर आहात त्यांचे रिक्वेस्ट झाले की आज आम्ही बसूया त्याचे डिस्कशन करूया आणि मागीर पुलीस आम्ही कंप्लेंट दिवपाची अशा तरेचो विचार आयलो म्हणून राती जी कंप्लेंट दिवपाची आसली ती आमी आतां विचाराक थेयल्या.
जी कंप्लेंट कोणाच्या अगेन्स्ट दितले तुमी?
आमचे आमदार पक्षाचे आणि मंत्री सुदीन ढवळीकर यांनी जे कोणाचेर जे कितें उलोवप जावन जे धमकी दिली त्याच्याबद्दल हे आसा सुदीन ढवळीकर.
किन्ने तांचे डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शनूय घेतले पार्टी?
वास्तवीक पार्टीक जर शिस्त येवंक जाय, शिस्तीन चालूंक जाय तर पक्षाचे शिस्तीन जे कितें घटनेन आसा ते म्हणटा ते सगळें करचें पडटलें आनी ती सेंट्रल कमिटी ठरयतली.
However, Transport Minister Sudhir Davlikar rubbished the allegations of Raut that he had threatened him on any issue.
So धमकी हो प्रश्न अजून पासून म्हज्या लायफांत तरी कोणाकूच जाल्लो ना. म्हाका खूब सांगन दिसता हरशीं ताका, पूण हो वेळ न्हय. ज्यो गोश्टी ताणें हातांत घेतल्या त्यो बरोबर ना. मगो पक्षाची बांदणी जाल्ली आसा. ही बांदणी मुखार व्हरपा खातीर ताणें कार्यकर्त्यांक सहकार्य करचें. ऑफिसाच्यो चावयो व्हरून ज्यो आपल्या घरा दवरल्या किंवा सेक्रेटरीन जर त्यो दवरल्या, ऑफिस कार्यकर्त्यां खातीर ओपन करचें. जी सेंट्रल कमिटीची मिटींग आसा ती मिटींग ताणें घेवची आनी बरे तरेन पक्ष चलोवपा खातीर ताणेंच फुडाकार घेवचो, जेणे करून दुसरे पक्षांतले नेते तो जो हाडपा पळयता ते ताणें मुखार व्हरचें न्हय, ताका फूल स्टॉप दिवचो.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with reporter Sham Sundar Fatte, Vivek Prabhu and video journalist Yashwant Parab for Prudent Media.
The Maharashtrawadi Gomantak Party President Pandurang Raut is right now holding the keys of MGP office. This is done as a precautionary measure to avoid Davlikar brothers and his supporters from issuing statements opposing entry of senior political leaders in the party.
This decision was taken by the MGP President Raut after the MGP MLA Deepak Daudikar addressed the press conference in MGP office opposing party leaders' move supporting senior leaders joining the party back. Speaking to Prudent Media, Raut asserted that this decision will help to maintain discipline in party functionaries.
आमदार दीपक ढवळकर यांनी पत्रकार परिषद घेतली आणि पक्षातल्या अंतर्गत गोष्टी बरेच प्रेसाक सांगले. ते वास्तविक ताका सांगपाचो कसलोच रायट ना. आणि अशें दिसून आयलें की हो मिटींग घेता तो प्रेस घेता म्हणजे पक्षाक पण हेच ना अशें दिसून आयल्या बरोबर आमी म्हटलें हें बंद करूंक जाय आनी त्यासाठी कार्यालय हें व्यवस्थीत आसचें, मदून कोणूच घुसखोरी करचें न्ही म्हणून आमी प्रिकॉशन म्हणून ती चावी आमी आमचे कडेन थेयल्या.
However, Transport Minister Sudhin Davlikar said that no one can stop party workers from entering office and soon the office will be opened for party workers.
कार्यकर्ते जो आसता तो श्रेष्ठ आसता. कार्यकर्त्याक ऑफिसाक येवपाक कोणीच परावृत्त करूं शकना आनी त्या खातीर जो आमचो जनरल सेक्रेटरी आसा बाब एडवोकेट मार्दोळकार हांकां मोठे मोठे कामगारांचे विशय ताणें हाताळले आसा. कामगारांचे हातूंतल्यान तो गेल्लो आसा आनी ताका जी माहिती आसा ताजे वयल्यान तरी म्हाका दिसता तो असलें करचो ना. फाल्यां तो तें ऑफिस ओपन करतलो जेणे करून ताजेर जी टिका जाता ती बंद आपोआप बंद जातली.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetty with reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte, Vivek Prabhu and video journalist Yashwant Parab for Prudent Media.
Ponda police has decided to thoroughly investigate all the cases of missing females from 1995 to 2009. According to police, they are trying to find out whether these missing cases have any kind of connection with the Mahanand Naik's criminal record. The accused has been now remanded to 14 days police custody in Yogita Naik murder case.
Nirmala Ghadi from Betki Khandola and Nayan Gaonkar from Ameli Panchwadi are missing from April 2007. Police suspect Mahananda's hand behind the missing of these females. They are thoroughly investigating all the female missing cases from 1995 to 2009. Police are expecting more revelations from Mahanand in coming days. Till now, Mahanand has confessed of killing Vasanti Gowde, Darshana Shirodkar and Yogita Naik. Kesar Naik, the fourth unfortunate prey of the simple-looking Mahananda Naik, was also strangulated to death by this dupatta killer. The mother of deceased Kesar Naik expressed her grief.
तुमकी दिसता ताका कित करचेशें ताका आतां पोलिसांनी कायद्यान ताका कितें हें दिवचें ताका 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 आतां ख्यास्त कितें दिवपाची ना तस न्हू तुका कितें दिसता तुगे चेडवा तेणी ना केलें तुका कितें दिसता
चेडवा ना केलें म्हण तेकाय तसो ना करपाचो बरं का आनी कोणाक करीत तो मागीर हां मागीर ताका सारकें आनी तारून घे तुजे कडेन.
Yogita's mother too expressed her sentiments and demanded harsh punishment for Mahanand.
तुमकां आतां कितें दिसता तेका कशे तरेन शिक्षा जावची म्हणून
आमचे चेडूं पळय आतां तेका तेणें हें केलें न्ही तशें तेकाय तेजें तशें करून तेका शिक्षा मेळपाची आनी तेका दवरपाचोच ना तेका शिक्षा मेळोवंकूच जाय.
PI of Ponda CL Patil briefed us on the modus operandi used by Mahananda Naik in killing all the 4 females.
केसर नायक 33 वर्साची चली 2007च्यान मिसींग आसा आनी तेन्ना ते एक केशव नांवाच्या भुरग्यान तेका लग्न जाता आपूण व्हडलो भाटकार बी म्हणून सांगून एका व्हेल्ले सावड्ड्या आपयल्ले तेन्ना भांगर बी घालून गेल्ले ते आनी हेची मोडस ऑपरेंडी सिमिलर आहा म्हणजे मानंदान पयली मर्डर केली तेची.
By Wednesday evening, dupatta killer Mahananda Naik did not confess any new crime. According to Ponda police, Mahananda should be the culprit behind the missing of Dipali Jotkar from Davarli, Anjani Gaonkar from Nirankal and Nayana Gaonkar from Ameli Panchwadi. Our reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu, and from Madgaon.